All right, how you doing? So I'm going to make a nice little budget meal again, nice and easy this one. We're going to do some hot dogs, franks or sausages in a tomato sauce with some spaghetti. Super, super easy to make. Welcome back to How to Cook, Mate. Okay, so nice and easy this one and fairly cheap. So I've got some spaghetti there. That's what I'm using. You can use any type of pasta you want. So get that cooked. So we're really going to concentrate on this quick, easy sauce. About 3 cups of pasta done there. 1 can of tomatoes. When I say a can, I mean a regular size 400 ml sort of thing. And then here I've got some sausages. These are a chicken frank. They're actually little cocktail ones, but you know, you can get like a, when I say franks, I mean sort of hot dogs. I'm using chicken. If you want, you could use, you know, beef, turkey, pork, that's up to you. And then a tablespoon here of garlic, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 1 cup of sweet corn and 1 cup of onion. Let's get moving. Delicious. So I've got in there 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using an olive oil, but you can use something different if you want. Let's drop that onion in and a tablespoon of chopped garlic. Above medium heat, 3 minutes, keep it moving. Okay, next up we're going to drop in our sausage. Like I said, I'm using these little cocktail sausages. There's about 3 cups again, or like 1 packet it was actually, but yeah. These are chicken, go for pork, go for turkey, go for beef, whatever you want. I'm going to get a little bit of salt in there. Same with some black pepper. I'm going to drop in that cup of sweet corn. Now I'm using sweet corn, but if you want, you could be getting some mushrooms in here, some other sort of veg or something, some bell peppers maybe. Then we're going to go with the chili powder and oregano. And once again, if you want, change that combo. I like a little bit of spice from that chili. And then 1 can of tomatoes, which were a whole plum tomato, and I've just roughly chopped that with my hand. Stay on this above medium heat, about 5 minutes, job done. Look at that, fantastic that is. Right, now I'm going to grab my spaghetti and I'm going to drop it in. You can serve it on top if you want, but I'm going to go with it mixed in. So with the heat on, I'm going to go for about another 3 or 4 minutes. And I'll get this on a plate. Beautiful. And there you go, simple as can be. If you want to get some grated cheddar on that or a little bit of Parmesan, wonderful stuff, cheap, easy. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.